Hello, dear students of class 12. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing well. Dear students, please pay attention to the green board here. Today we are going to learn Tempest, Act 5, Scene 1. Test from 100 to 150. 100 to 150. I had taken this class, but after half a time like that, there was some sound problem and you could not listen. So I am once again taking this class for you so that you may understand the total test. So this particular scene is taking place before our Prospero cell, and the characters present here are our Prospero, Ariel, Alonso, the king of Naples, Antonio, the brother of Prospero, Sebastian, brother of our Alonso, and Gonzalo. These are the characters present here. So in our previous class, let me quickly remind you of what we have learned. That was in the previous class of Prospero's long dialogue, in which he told a special thanks to Ariel and his company for helping him to perform various magics. Then he talked to his enemies. Alonso, Gonzalo is not his enemy, of course, Antonio, Sebastian, and made them aware of their wrong things they have done against our Prospero. Then finally, he is almost ready to reveal himself before his enemies, and of course he is also planning to set Ariel and his company free. That is what we are going to learn here. No, that is what we have learned, and in the new test from page number 60 onwards. See, in our previous class we ended the class with the singing of our Ariel. Let us sing, and from there let us begin the class. Re-enter Ariel, who sings while helping to attire Prospero. Attire means to dress Prospero. Where the bee sucks, there suck I, in a cowslip's bell I lie. There I couch when owls do cry, on the bat's back I do fly. After summer merrily, merrily, merrily shall I live now, under the blossom that hangs on the bough. So that is the Ariel. So when our Ariel came to know that he is going to get his freedom immediately, within no time, his heart was elated and he started singing. Yes. Now from test number 100, Prospero. Why? Our Prospero listened the beautiful singing of Ariel, and he told, yes, that is my dainty, delicate. Dainty means delicate, soft Ariel. I shall miss thee. Yes, I am going to miss you, because Prospero is going to set Ariel free. But yet thou shalt have freedom. Yet you will have your freedom. So means thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. That is the way. So next time when you feel like expressing your gratefulness or thank you to somebody, instead of thank you sir, thank you brother, thank you sister, like that, instead of that you can say, oh my dear friend, so, which means thank you. You can say. To the king's ship invisible as thou art, there shalt thou find the mariners asleep. Now our Prospero is giving some more command to the king's ship. Now you go to the king's ship, invisible as thou art. Invisibly you go and go to the ship of the king. There shalt thou find the mariners asleep under the hatches. There you will find under the deck the mariners are sleeping, very badly sleeping. The master and the boatswain being awake, as make them awake, the boatswain and the captain, the master, enforce them to this place, bring them to this place, and presently I pray thee. So quickly, Ariel, do one thing, you go to the ship and you will find under the deck of the ship mariners sleeping. There awake the boatswain and the master of the ship and enforce them, compel them to come here, ask them to come here. Ariel, I drink the air before me and return or your pulse twice beat. Yes, immediately I go in the blank, within the blink of an eye, I will go and come fast. That is the meaning. I will fly quickly and return before your pulse beat. Going and coming. Or I release by here. Yes, Gonzalo. All torment, trouble, wonder, and amazement inhabits here. Now, our Gonzalo, Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, all these people are not in their full sense. So, our Gonzalo is saying all type of problems are here, all torment. Torment means pains and difficulties, trouble, wonder, and amazement inhabits here. Some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country. Oh gods, our Gonzalo is really shocked to see all type of complications in this island. Thus he makes a prayer to the Uparwala, Hey Uparwala, is जगह से हमें बचा ले. He is saying that some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country. This country is giving fear, causing lot of fear, trouble. Oh, he is making a prayer. Every pain, trouble, suspense, and amazement exists here. May some heavenly power guide us out of this dreadful place. Prospero. Behold, Sir King. Now he is talking to our king. Behold, Sir King, the wronged Duke of Milan, Prospero, for more assurance that a living prince, does now speak to thee. I embrace thy body, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. Now, by embracing, Prospero is welcoming King Alonso and his company to this place. Now, once again, understand the test. Behold, Sir King, behold, O King, Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan, Prospero, for more assurance that a living priest assures that a living person is speaking to you. Yes, I am not a spirit. I am not a dead evil spirit. Prospero assures that, Sir, behold, the wronged Duke of Milan, Prospero, is speaking to you. He is alive and he is speaking to you. Prospero, for the assurance that a living prince does now speak to thee. I embrace thy body, I embrace you with my arms, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. So, after assuring that Prospero is alive, he says to Alonso and his friends, and he gives them a friendly, cordial welcome. Alonso, whether thou beest he or no, I do not know whether thou beest, whether you are he or not. He is referred to Prospero. Alonso is speaking. I do not know whether you are a spirit or real Prospero. No. Or some enchanted trifle, or some spirits. Yes, to abuse me as late I have been. I not know thy pulse. I know not your pulse. Beats as of flesh of blood, but I do not know whether you are spirit or a human being. but I feel your pulse. Your pulse is beating like the pulse of a human being, beats as of flesh and blood. And since I saw thee, as I have seen you, the affliction of my mind amends, which, yes, the affliction, as I have seen you, the trouble of the sickness of mind has reduced to some extent, has come down a bit. The affliction of my mind amends. Amends means get better, with which I fear a madness held me, with which I was thinking that some kind of madness was holding me. This must crave, this incident must crave, demand. And if this be at all, and if you are really the Prospero, a most strange story, it proves, if it is true, then it is a strange story, or perhaps the strangest story, yes. Thy dukedom I resign, and do entreat thou pardon me my wrongs. Yes, if you are real Prospero, I hand over the power of Milan back to you and ask your forgiveness for for my wrong things. Yes, now Alonso is coming back to his senses, and he is saying that if you are real Prospero, then dear friend, I am giving back the kingdom to you, and of course I ask your forgiveness for my shortcomings, for my mistakes. But how should Prospero be living and be here? But he is still doubtful and asking, but how can Prospero be living and present here in this island? So let me give the summary of what we have learned, the test number 120. Yes. Whether you are really Prospero or some enchanted spirit sent to deceive me, as it has happened of late, I do not know. Your pulse beats like that of a human being. After seeing you, the illness of my brain, which I fear was some kind of madness, has improved. And all this requires a strange story to explain. If it in fact is not a dream, if it is not a dream, I hereby resign from your dukedom of Milan, that is of Milan. I also beg of you to pardon me all my misdeeds. But I would like to know how Prospero is living and how he is present here. So hope the test is clear for you. Prospero, first noble friend, let me embrace thine age. O my friend, first let me embrace you, whose honor cannot be measured or confined, whose respect cannot be measured or confined. First, my noble friend, let me embrace your aged self, whose honor cannot be measured or limited. He is saying, oh my friend, before clarifying all the doubts, let me embrace you, because your honor and your age that cannot be confined or measured. Gonzalo, whether this be or be not, I will not answer. Now our Gonzalo is also not able to believe what is happening right in front of his eyes. So he is saying that I cannot be sure whether all this is real or a dream. He is saying whether this be or be not, whether this is a dream or a fact, I will not swear, I do not know. Prospero, you do yet taste some subtleties of the island. Yes, you still think about the illusions of this island. Subtleties means some kind of illusions of this island that will not let you believe things certain. That is you still believe in the illusions that is taking place in this island. That is the reason you are not able to believe what is happening right in front of your eyes. Welcome my friend all. He is once again welcome my friend all. Prospero is welcoming all. Welcome my friend all. Aside to Sebastian and Antonio. Now Prospero is talking to Sebastian and Antonio. Who is Antonio? Antonio, the brother of Prospero, who with the support of King of Naples, Alonso, has banished Prospero from his kingdom, and of course Sebastian is the brother of Alonso, who tried to kill to take the kingship of Naples. Aside to Sebastian and Antonio, but you, my brace of lords, where I so minded, I here could pluck his highness frown upon you. Brace, yes. But as for you two lords, I wish, as for you too, I could make aware of the king of what you have done and get the angry of the king fall on you. But I will not do that one. Who is saying? Of Prospero is saying. Yes, but as for you, once again that complete test, 135, you are still under some illusion in this island, which does not permit you to believe in the reality that is now in front of you. I welcome you all, my friends. Then he is talking to Sebastian and Antonio. But as for you two lords, if I wish, I could call upon the king Alonso to look upon you with anger and prove that you are traitors. Now, however, I will refrain from doing that. No, I will not do. Once again, look at the test of 135. You do yet taste some subtleties of the island that will not let you believe things certain. Welcome, my friends all. Now he is talking privately to Sebastian and Antonio. But you, my brace of lords, that means you, my brace of lords, means a pair of my lords, where I so minded, if I want, I here could pluck his highness. I could make the king aware, frown upon you, get angry with you, and justify you traitors, and prove your villainy or traitors. At this time, I will tell no tales. No, but I am not going to do that one. I am not going to tell any story. Sebastian, aside. The devil speaks in him. Yes, the devil is speaking to him. Yes, the devil speaks to him. Prospero. No. For you, most wicked sir, to whom to call brother. Now Prospero is talking. No, I am not a devil speaking. Now he is talking to his own brother Antonio, who tried to kill him and his daughter. For you, most wicked sir, whom to call brother would even infect my mouth. Even I call you as my brother. That word brother would infect my mouth. Because that much cruelty our Antonio has done against Prospero. Would even infect my mouth. तुम ब्रदर कहलाने का योग्य भी नहीं है, लायक नहीं है. You cannot be called even as a brother, because if I call brother, then that word would infect my mouth, inside my mouth. So I cannot even call. I do forgive thy rankest fault. Thy rankest fault means most heinous crime. I forgive you your most heinous crime, very dirty crime. What is the dirty crime Antonio had committed? He had committed, or he tried to kill his brother Prospero and daughter Miranda with the support of King Alonso. So that is the crime. A brother doing such type of things, that's the most painful thing, isn't it? Yes. Thy rankest fault, all of them, and require my dukedom from thee. I require my dukedom, that is dukedom of Milan, from thee, which perforce I know thou must restore. You have no other choice than giving me back my dukedom. Yes, thus I demand it from you. My dukedom of thee, which perforce I know thou must restore, with no choice of matter. Perforce means as there is no choice for you. So our Prospero's dialogue, let us understand. No, as for you, most wicked sir, whom to call you my brother would mean soiling my mouth. Soiling my mouth means infecting my mouth. But I do forgive even your worst crimes. I demand my dukedom from you, which I know that you have no choice but to restore it to me. You have no other option other than giving it to me. Alonso, if thou beest Prospero, give us particulars of thy preservation. If you are really the Prospero, then give us the evidence or proof that you are Prospero. How thou hast met us here? How did you, if you are really Prospero, then give us proof or evidence, or tell that how did you meet us here, who 3 hours since were wrecked upon this shore, who were just wrecked 3 hours before, where I have lost. How sharp the point of this remembrance is. Recollection, remembrance, recollection is my dear son Ferdinand. Oh, what a painful thing it is to remember. The painful thing, yes, tragedy, of course, that is a very painful, heart-touching feeling or the experience when we have to remember our beloved people who are already left this world. Yes. So, if you are, let me explain the meaning to you. If you are truly Prospero, tell us how you were saved, how you met us here when it was only 3 hours ago. We were shipwrecked and drifted onto the shore. I lost my dear son Ferdinand on the sea. My pain is acute, indeed, while remembering that, my dear son Ferdinand. So, my pain reaches its climax, especially when I remember about the death of my son who is drowned in the sea. Prospero, I am woe for it, sir. I am sorry for it, sir. Irreparable is the loss, and patience says it is past her cure. Yes. Our Alonso is saying irreparable is the loss. Of course, death of a son or daughter is an irreparable loss, and patience says it is past her cure. It is beyond her cure. She is not able to cure the pain of Alonso's heart, which is due to the supposed death of his son Ferdinand. Let me explain that one. My loss is irreparable, and patience is no avail. Patience is helpless here. Yes, dear students, I wind up the class here. Hope this time the audio is also clear. Sorry for causing such type of disturbance in my previous video. I do not know exactly what happened. I am sorry for that, but this time I am sure that things will be clear and audible enough. So let me remind you or summarize what we have learned. Today we have learned our test from 100 to 155. It is by 55, of course, the revision of this class. Then the location was before Prospero's cell, and the characters present here: Prospero, Ariel, Alonso, Antonio, Gonzalo, and Sebastian. They are the characters present here. Here, Prospero was trying to reveal himself before the king and other people. He forgives everyone, embraces everyone, and welcomes them and even he is ready to forgive totally. And slowly our Alonso become aware of what he has done, and almost he gets back his kingdom from Alonso and his own brother. So that is the place where we stop. If any clarifications or doubt, please be interested in asking the question. Don't bother. Please ask. I will clarify and get back to you. All right. So this is Joe sir once again signing out from this class to meet you again in our next class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.